Hi, I'm Tony
Hi,
Vickers,
Tony.
homeopathic pharmacist.
Listen here.
What we're tapping into with homeopathy in essence is the innate ability to cure oneself. When you have symptoms, the symptoms themselves are part of the healing process rather than the disease. So it's really principle that like can cure like. Now, if a patient came to you and said, look, I've got streaming eyes, I'm sneezing, and I've got a sore throat, that would be a remedy picture that would respond to onion. So I would give them onion as a homeopathic remedy in order to treat that particular condition.
But I find that very difficult to understand because we're talking about a tiny, 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 tiny dilution, aren't we? Or rather a massive dilution and a tiny amount of active ingredient, one in hundreds of thousands of parts. And I'm having problems understanding how this droplet is going to change the rest of me.
We are still in a position where science hasn't caught up with homeopathy. But nothing is sensitive enough to record materials that have such a high dilution. But we know from our experience that the remedies do work, and they have been working for the last 3 centuries. So trying to explain it to conventional scientists is more difficult because we don't have the wherewithal in science as it is today to actually be able to do that. But one day we will.